How well do you know the K-pop Demon Hunters movie? Take this quiz and see how well you do. Good luck. What is the name of the K-pop girl group that are Demon Hunters? What is the protective barrier the girl group maintains called? WHO is really in the What is the name of the rival boy band made up of Dean and Net? WHO directed the K-pop Demon Hunters? Which song by Edge-U-Cators had hit no. 1 on the Billboard Hot 100? What ancient mythology is woven into the plot? What is the Demon King's name in the Hunters of Ghosts? WHO voices Luna's speaking part? Which Twice members contributed songs to the film's soundtrack? What visual style influenced the animations? Which character sacrifices themselves to protect Luna? What is the name of the WHO health symbol? What themes are central to Luna's storyline? What genre best describes the villain? When is K-pop Demon Hunters released on Netflix? Rating did the film receive on Rotten Tomatoes? What is Rooney struggling with throughout the movie, aside from battling demons? What K-pop choreographer helped design the animated performance? What is the main message of K-pop Demon Hunters? Thanks for watching.